If your Android phone feels laggy, I'm going to show you what to do in order to improve the speed of your phone. Even when your memory is filled up, you can still be able to operate your phone the way it is meant to be. You don't need virtual RAM, you don't need external memory card, you just need to turn off these settings. Now quickly, let me show you what to do. If you are using Android phone, you head over to settings. If you are using Xiaomi phone, you head over to security app. Look for security app, you tap on it, then you locate manage apps. Then you see background auto start. Tap on it. You see that these applications, pre-installed applications and the applications you install by yourself, keep on running in the background automatically. You need to turn them off, because immediately you turn off your phone or you reboot your phone, they begin to function automatically. So these tutorials will help you stop these apps from functioning in the background. Once you're able to achieve this, then I'm telling you, you can be able to curtail some of the lagging you are experiencing in your Android phone, especially if the RAM is too small. Turn off background auto start for apps that you know doesn't need to auto start. Once you're able to turn off this setting, then reboot your phone and watch out for the best performance on your Android phone. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so for more tutorials.